All right, so now you want to unlock success. Well, let's talk about how demo videos are essential for your tech company. Have you ever wondered how to make your tech company shine in a crowded market? Well, welcome to some quick tips for tech company marketing. Okay? Today, I'm going to talk to you about the power of video in showcasing your amazing tech products, and how it's pretty much a vital aspect of marketing awareness.
This is Nexigo's newest flagship ultra short throw projector that is the world's most advanced laser TV.
Imagine this. You've developed the coolest tech product, but how do you convey its powers to potential customers? Remember the old saying, show, don't tell? That's the mantra for tech demos.
Pro and Pro Cine both feature 3 cameras for ultra dynamic imaging.
Instead of bombarding your audience with jargon and showing them exactly how your product works, video content not only allows you to bring your tech product to life, it gives your audience a front row seat to its incredible features.
And it also lets you shoot with more compression, so those backgrounds look a lot bigger and more dramatic, and you get more parallax through their shots.
And its functionalities. Let's break it down. Let's take the Oura Ring, right?
Introducing Oura, the world's first wellness ring and app.
This tiny little ring does more than just look cute on your finger. With video content, you can visually demonstrate how it tracks your sleep.
You can see your time of sleep as well as your sleep stages and any kind of movement.
Count your steps.
For example, I can tap outdoor running. This is going to connect to GPS. It's going to use the GPS from my phone.
Monitors your heart rate.
Next, you'll see your nightly and daily heart rate. So if I go to yesterday, you can see this is where it captured kind of my nightly heart rate.
And even sends you little motivational messages.
Sometimes it'll provide you some text. So if I do drink alcohol or if I eat close to bedtime, it's going to say, hey, did you eat close to bedtime? What happened? You did something last night that is impacting your sleep. So it's really cool to see that.
Do you see what we did there? That was 7 years ago. Fast forward to June 2023. Oura Ring is now valued at $2.5 billion.
Function. It's all about balance.
And it's a lot more smaller. Video content also gives you the chance to connect with your audience on a personal level. It could add a touch of humor, share behind the scenes moments.
It's our Mega Drive controller. This will dim the lights and eventually turn them off.
And let your brand personality shine through.
Cat memes again, Tim? What about that Matrix X report?
Matrix X? That was done on Brad's desk a long time ago. Plus, it's Shark Week.
Is this your card?
Yes.
No.
Making video content for your tech product is like having a virtual salesperson, engaging, entertaining, educating your audience all at once. So go ahead, grab your camera. There's a camera. Grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and let the world see the magic of your tech company through the power of cool video content. All right, I've posted 2 more videos that you guys can advance forward to. It's kind of like a choose your own adventure book. And if you like this stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next video.